Let's talk about a culinary gem that's not only a treat for our little ones, but also a testament to the love and care that moms pour into every meal: vegetable and lentils oats. Packed with a medley of nutritious ingredients like clarified butter, tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, broccoli, split mung beans, and split red lentils, it's a nourishing feast that fuels our children's growth and development. From essential vitamins to protein, this dish provides everything our little adventurers need to thrive. And let's not forget about the fiber-rich goodness that promotes healthy digestion and boosts their energy levels. But mealtime isn't just about feeding the body, it's about nourishing the soul too. So, let's encourage exploration, sing and dance to the rhythm of mealtime joy, and lead by example, showing our little ones the beauty of wholesome eating. Together, let's dive into this delicious journey of taste and nutrition, knowing that with every bite, we're nurturing our children's bodies and filling their hearts with love. Ladies and gentlemen, parents and caregivers, allow me to introduce you to the wonderful world of potato oats for your 10-month-old baby. This delicious and nutritious blend of mashed potatoes and oats is not only easy to prepare but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals crucial for your little one's growth and development. From providing a healthy source of carbohydrates for energy to aiding digestion with its fiber content, potato oats offer a multitude of benefits for your baby's tiny tummy. Plus, its smooth texture makes it perfect for introducing new flavors and textures to your baby's diet. So why wait? Give your little one a tasty start to a lifetime of good nutrition with potato oats today. Hello parents, allow me to share the benefits of incorporating apple oats into your 10-month-old's diet. Apple oats offer a myriad of advantages for your little one's development and well-being. Firstly, apples are a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and potassium, which are crucial for your baby's growth and immune system support. Additionally, oats provide a healthy dose of dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting regular bowel movements. This fiber content also helps regulate blood sugar levels, keeping your baby feeling satisfied and energized throughout the day. Introducing apple oats to your child's diet at an early age can also help cultivate a palate for wholesome foods, setting the stage for a lifetime of healthy eating habits. Please like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much. Attention all parents and caregivers. Are you searching for a nutritious and delicious option for your 10-month-old baby? Look no further than carrot and potato oats. This delightful blend combines the sweetness of carrots with the creamy texture of mashed potatoes and the goodness of oats, providing a powerhouse of nutrients for your little one. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, including beta-carotene from carrots, this iron-rich meal supports your baby's growth and development while promoting a healthy immune system and digestion. Introduce your baby to the delightful flavors of carrot and potato oats today and nourish their tiny tummies with every spoonful. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much.
Today, I embarked on a culinary adventure for my 10-month-old, crafting a delightful chicken broccoli biryani. No salt was added, ensuring it's gentle for the little one's palate. The chicken, sliced into thin, elongated shapes, was designed for easy grasping, allowing my baby to enjoy a hands-on dining experience. If the longer pieces seems challenging, make more manageable portions. As my little one sat in the high chair, eyes widening with curiosity, I presented the chicken broccoli biryani. The aroma filled the air, and soon, tiny fingers eagerly reached for the slender chicken pieces. The joy on my baby's face was priceless. With each bite, a delightful mess unfolded. Bits of rice, broccoli, and chicken scattered around like edible confetti.